I'm gonna put myself on blast and tell you a little OCD quirk that I have. Yes, I have OCD in case you didn't know. But let me tell you one of my biggest quirks is what I call it. I cannot grab the first item on the shelf. No can do. So say I'm going to get my ranch. You know I love ranch. I don't grab the first bottle. I have to grab the second or third bottle back. Have to. Everyone who loves me thinks I'm a weirdo for it. Don't care. Can't help it. And if there's only one left on the shelf, that's my biggest nightmare. But I'm going to tell you a story that happened not to me, but recently that just solidifies why I do what I do. So my brother tells me recently he had to get a new toilet seat. So my brother has to get this new toilet seat, and he goes to the toilet seat getting store. I'm not going to name the name of the store. And he doesn't listen to his OCD sister, and he gets the first one on the shelf, and he's high maintenance. So he grabs a wooden freaking toilet seat, okay? First mistake. But the fatal mistake was not grabbing the second or third one back. He gets the toilet seat home, and he realizes this toilet seat looking a little funny. It's got its little plastic baggie of the screws, nuts, bolts, whatever. He says they look suspicious, and then he realizes the toilet seat lid has a scratch, and he's like, what the heck? Did I scratch this already? And then he gets the toilet seat out, and upon further inspection, the hinges are like mangled, and then he lifts the toilet seat lid up, and y'all, there are booty cheek indentions on this wooden toilet seat, and then underneath, it's unspeakable what's underneath this toilet seat, okay? So he comes to conclusion, he's got a used toilet seat, y'all. He paid $50 for a booty cheek indented, doo-doo infested toilet seat because he didn't get the second one on the shelf. So apparently he learned nothing from his OCD big sis. And then it got me thinking, how many booty cheek indented, doo-doo infested toilet seats have I saved myself from? So while my OCD brain gets on my nerves all the time, this situation really just makes me thankful for my OCD brain, you know?